What's good with y'all boys, man? I really can't come with that much energy because people in my house is asleep, so y'all bear with me, but just know I'm hyped, bro. I told y'all we was gonna be back, right? We're back, nigga. So let me start my screen record. One, it just started. Griff, you see what time it is. Y'all see what time it is, bro. Without further ado, without further ado, hit that like button, because what y'all don't know is the more y'all like my video, the more it gets recommended to other traders and y'all can help other people out, because I'm teaching y'all free games. So y'all might as well hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because I drop a lot of videos like this. But yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if y'all not subscribed, and let's just get straight into this video on how I made, how much did I make? 8.6. Basically what I just lost last week on that crazy news spike thing. I done made it right back. So this is it right here, and I'm gonna just show y'all how I did it. So let's go into trading view right now. And man, I'm hyped, bro, because I was waiting for a couple of days for this for this pair to hit. All right, so let me just break it down for y'all. If y'all don't know, first off, if y'all don't know what the Fibonacci retracement tool is, please use the Fibonacci retracement tool. It's literally goated. So I got my Fibonacci, I think I got it drawn on the weekly. So let's look at the weekly. All right, look. So as y'all know, I trade price action, support and resistance, right? So just look, we had consolidation in here. Low key, it was in consolidation. Low key made a lower high. See how it came up right here? It made a lower high and it broke structure. That was one sign right there to get in sales, right? That was one sign, literally. Why is my brightness getting turned down? Come on, my baby, turn up. And then on top of that, look, whenever I see a tweezer top for sales, or whenever I see a tweezer bottom for buys, I already know wherever it's finna, like wherever price made that tweezer top or bottom to, I already know it's gonna shoot hard. So we just wait for it. So shout out to Swaggy C, I learned this from him. Whenever you see price break out of consolidation, 9 times out of 10, price is going to come back and retest it to see if it wants to go the direction it broke out of. If you see it rejecting it and breaking down structure, you already know to get in. That's what we did. So it's just really price action and market structure, bro, literally. So once I seen price come back and retest that area and it made a rejection candle, which is this right here, I already knew, bro, one of these days price is gonna break down and make some bread off that John Griff. What did I do? Nigga, I did it. I did exactly what I trained for. So that's on the weekly. It looks beautiful on the weekly. What y'all don't know is the higher the time frame, like the more it looks sexy on the higher time frames, like the daily or the weekly, bro, those time frames are strong. Like for new traders that like trade on the 1 hour, 30-minute, it can make market structure sometimes. It may fake you out, woo woo, but it's less to get like it, like you get faked out lesser on the higher the time frames. I made it sound dumb. You get faked out less on the higher time frames rather than you would be on the 1 hour or 30 minutes. Like that's why me personally, I only trade 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, and I look at the monthly to see where price is overall going, and I just trade with that. So that's the weekly. Let's go to the daily. I've been in this trade since Sunday, so today's Wednesday, so I've been in here for the past couple of days, and this is what it did since I've got in. So I got in on this candle right here, the one that's in the middle, and you can see price was trying to act like it was going to buy like the past couple of days. But let me tell y'all, for my people who don't use trend lines, please use trend lines. I low-key need to make a video on how to successfully draw trend lines, bro. Trend lines are so strong, so strong. You can make a lot of bread. Like, you can make a lot of bread and have a lot more confidence in your trades if you know how to successfully use a trend line. So when price was trying to act like it was gonna buy and fake people out and make people get out because, oh my god, it's gonna buy, I'm gonna just get out. No. If it didn't break that trend line that I drawn, bro, I'm staying in. And it's a part of risk management. If you can't afford to lose, why are you getting in with, like, why are you doing that big of a lot size? Right. So just look at my charts, bro. Look at this. So look at my trend line. I'm gonna just show y'all how to draw a trend line real quick for y'all who don't know, but I'm gonna make a separate whole video on how to draw trend lines. But look, so after I seen, so how to identify to draw a trend line, you got to know market structure. So I've been trading for like 4 years, so off rip I can tell this is a downtrend structure just because of the lower highs. Lower highs is this comeback, this high lower than that high, right? And it's still a high because it didn't break a trend. So look, lower high, came down, came up, and I seen it breaking structure down somewhere. That's a lower high. So off rip on Sunday, I drew that trend line and I low-key messed it up. So you would start at the top of the key, right? You would start at the top of the key, and then wherever it retraced at, match it up with the trend line. Like match the start of the trend wherever it retraced, and then most of the time I like kind of draw it further, because if it does a trend line bounce again, it will respect that trend line, which it clearly did. So I think this was yesterday, after it made this tweezer top right here and it bounced off my trend line. Well, it didn't, well, it kind of did, but it like grazed it, and my 9 and my 20 moving average made a cross. That's another thing. If y'all don't use moving averages, the ones I use, this big old one in the middle is a 50. One of these is the 9, one of these is the 20. After I seen all of that stuff line up, I'm like, oh yeah, it's money time. And literally, it's 4 o'clock now. Literally, overnight, price just started selling, which we currently knew what it was doing. So yeah, so I was trying to hold it to the 27, but give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Bro, whenever price give me bread and they start retracing a little bit, bro, I'm taking my bread. I ain't gonna lie. I done learned the hard way. When price give you money, bro, no diddy, but take that shit, nigga. Take that shit, nigga. Take it, nigga. Nah, that's wild. But like, yeah, I was waiting for it to hit the 27. If it would have hit the 27, that would have been 14K, but instead I made 8.6 because, bro, if somebody hands you 8.6 thousand and be like, hey, bro, if you want it, grab it. Pause. We taking that 8.6K, right? What's the difference? So, bro, yeah, that's like the breakdown. Like, look at it. Look at it. That is just so beautiful. Like, just look at the trend line drawn. Look at the lower high. Did I say high or low? That's a lower high. So y'all know what I mean. But just look at the lower high. It's just trading under the moving averages. It just looks so beautiful on the daily. And just look at the 4 hour. Bruh, even if you was a scalper, which I really don't like scalping on a 4 hour. I like trading with the higher time frames. But even if you a 4 hour scalper, bro, look. It low-key made a tweezer top right there. It's not as beautiful as I would want a tweezer top, but it made one. And look, after it broke structure, it just went straight down, and it still might go down. Low-key, I might have got out early because it still might hit that 27 later on around like 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. But at the same time, a win is a win, my nigga. A win is a win. But y'all know I don't like to make long videos, and I literally said this shit last week. Okay, the market cooked me for 8.6, but I'm gonna get that shit back, nigga. Guess what? Nigga, I got that shit back, nigga. Fuck is they talking about? But yeah, it currently look like it's still finna go hit the 27, but a win is a win. I made my 8.6. I'm done for the week. And if I go back, I try to touch Euro USD. I'm gonna show y'all what that looked like real quick. I wanted to scalp it and get in and get out, but This is the Euro USD trade I was finna touch, but it act like it was finna retrace and shit, and yeah. I low-key just brought my account back, so I'ma just wait for a good setup, because I still have to make 20K to pass this first one. So our equity is at 197,000. You start at 200K, so we like what, 2.8 thousand off until we at break even for the whole account. So I want my next head up to be beautiful, and really, in all honesty, all I gotta do is take two or three more setups like how we just took, and I passed my first phase. So I'm gonna just be patient. I'm gonna turn my screen record off. I'm gonna just be patient, bro, and just take some smart setups, because like I said, it's still July. It's not even August yet. So you know what I'm saying? I appreciate all of y'all, bro. Listen, I want to hit 100K. I don't know if it's gonna be this year, the beginning of next year, but I want to hit 100K subscribers. So I'm giving out free game. All I ask is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and you know what I'm saying, I'm happy. I'm probably gonna play Black Ops Zombies. You know what I'm saying? So thank y'all for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all brothers in the next video, man. Let's get